I'm here at the old motor show in George, and it was raining very hard last night, very muddy and wet. So hopefully the rain will stay away and this will be a successful show. Say hello to Keaton.
Hello.
Hi Keaton. He's helping me today. Hello, hello.
Morning. Yeah, if you have that, you can go through. But would you guys like a map?
Yeah, if you can give me a map.
Combos, hallo julle.
Hello. Thank you.
Okay, take off tip.
What is that? Kudu something. Yeah, Kudu store. We are going to walk through the old motor show and from the one side to the other, and I will show you how it looks. But first we need to eat. Say, thank you.
Got plain burger, that's right. Cheeseburger chips, yeah.
I say, now we're going to eat. Wat sê jy?
Ja, nee.
This is our view. What on earth is this? That's quite unique. Look at this beautiful chrome of this Ford. And then the old Beetles. There's some stalls here. Keaton is going to go hot here. See, hy's bietjie.
Nee, dis regtig nie erg nie.
Dis jammer. Oh no, he's too chilled.
Hierdie is wat ek noem pizza in 'n bottle. So hierdie is jou mees minder brand items, hierdie is jou mild items en dan kry jy warm.
Well, everything you need.
Jy goed kom van die oertyd af.
Knives. Yeah. Here's some very old motor cars. (1928 to 1933). From the old to the new. This is probably the first Mercedes. Motorwagen. Benz. Yeah, look at that. And Mercedes vehicles as far as you can see.
That's what I just took a picture of one.
700, 300.
734672.
And there's also some newer Mercedes Benz.
I buy a nieuwe Mercedes.
And let's go to the Porsche. And then, what is a car show without a BMW? And what's this? Vauxhall.
You think Paula?
Look at that engine. This is so beautiful. Some pink cars and some green cars. Hybrid BMW. And what's a car show without Fords? And I was a Ford.
Weer Goodrich.
Okay, and now we're going to a big collection of little model cars. Okay. So let's go and see how that looks like. Keaton loves these model cars. So interesting, all these cars. And there's more model cars. Wow, look at this model airplanes. That miniature motor vehicle collection and toys were quite interesting. Then we're going to some of the other exhibitions on the rugby field. Festive atmosphere here.
Baie dankie weer eens van die Suid-Kaap veteraantrekker in een klap. Dankie sê aan Aldous Brabanti en sy span vir die geleentheid wat ons het om deel te wees.
Die mense wat allemaal hierdie moontlik maak, en natuurlijk die stad, onze gastheerstad, George, die stad vir alle redes, George, naturally, that's like the George Wilderness in Uniondale.
This is the old ladies. Beautiful. It's a 14, 19, 10. 1911 40 Torpedo. This is all the old ladies. Now we will come back to the vehicles, but we are on our way to the motorcycles. Let's go and see the two-wheelers. I'm on my way also to Honda Wing George's or Honda's stall there. I really want to go and see what they've got. But let's look here at all the old Vespas. This is the Castle Lager Vespa. Don't drink and drive. I don't know if that will work.
En ek dink jy raai van baie.
This is old motorcycles. This one is the what? OK Supreme 500cc 1928 and a 350cc. Never thought they made 500cc's in that time.
What model is this?
1926 S6 Sunbeam 500cc. Okay, now from the old to the new. $1,200 children motorbikes. Nice Triumph. Again, Honda Wing George. Hoe gaan dit?
Nice to meet you. That's what I'm saying. Like, I sent them a message and I said to them,
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. You? Oh, that was Honda. I love Honda motorbikes.
Hi everybody, I'm Hilton from the Zai Automotive Group George, and I'm honored to be here today displaying our 5 exceptional brands.
That's my next car.